Hello everyone, welcome to Success Mantra. In this video, we will see a new topic in chapter 4 basic geometrical ideas, that is curves and polygons. A curve is a drawing which we can draw without lifting the pencil from the paper and without the help of a ruler. These are some real life examples of curves, like a fun ride or a road that is passing through some hilly areas and all. So in general, a curve is something that is not straight. But mathematically speaking, a straight line is also a curve because we are drawing a straight line also without lifting our pencil up. Here are some examples of curves. If you observe them closely, you can see that some curves start at one point and end at other point, while some curves start and end at the same point, while some others cross themselves. So is there any different names for these curves? So let's see what are the types of curves. Curves that do not cross themselves are called symbol curves. So here you can see some symbol curves. That is that start at one point, end at same point or at different point, but still they do not cross themselves. Curves which are closed by a line segment or curved lines are called closed curves. So here you can see some closed curves. The curves which are not closed are called open curves. So let's look what are the parts of a curve. So here you can see a closed curve. The part of the curve which are inside to the curve are called interior of the curve. And the part of the curve which are outside the curve are called exterior of the curve. And the region or the line that separates the interior of the curve from the exterior is called boundary of the curve. And the boundary of the curve together with the interior of the curve will form the region of the curve. So you're done with curves. Let's see now what is a polygon. Here you can see different curves. All of these curves are closed curves because they start and end at the same point. These curves are made of line segment and also of curved lines. A polygon is also a closed curve, but make sure that it is entirely made of line segments. So from the above 5 figure, you can see that the first 3 are made of only line segment, but the last 4th and 5th one are made of line segment and also of curved lines. So only the first 3 are said to be polygons. The word polygon is derived from the two words poly and gun. Poly means many and gun means ankle. So a polygon has many ankles. So here you can see a polygon, and the polygon is named by using capital letters in cyclic order as A, B, C, D, E. The line segments forming this polygon are called the sides of the polygon. So here the sides are AB, BC, CD, DE and EA. The meeting point of a pair of sides is called vertex of the polygon. So here you can see vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, vertex D and vertex E. So there are 5 vertices for this polygon. Any two sides with common endpoint are called adjacent sides of the polygon. So here the side AB and side BC has a common vertex B. So these sides are called adjacent sides of the polygon. And the endpoints of the sides of a polygon are called adjacent vertices. So here in this side AB, A and B are said to be adjacent vertices of the polygon. And the joints that are formed by non-adjacent vertices are called diagonals of the polygon. Here A and B are adjacent vertices, but A and C are non-adjacent vertices. So if a line is drawn between A and C, it becomes the diagonal of this polygon. So here A and D are non-adjacent, so it is a diagonal. AC, similarly EB, EC and BD are all diagonals of this polygon. So let's do some exercises on curves and polygon. The first question is to classify the following curves as open curves or closed curves. So the first one is starting at one point and ending at other point. So it is an open curve. B, it is starting and ending at the same point, so it is closed curve. C, endpoints are not meeting, so it is an open curve. Now the fourth one is closed and fifth one is also closed curve. The second question is to draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following open curve and closed curve. We have already seen as examples of open curve, that is starting and ending point are not meeting each other. Then closed curves are those which are meeting, starting point and ending point are meeting each other. So the third question is to draw any polygon and shade its interior. So we draw a polygon here and name it as A, B, C, D, E, E in cyclic order. Now we shade the interior of the polygon. The fourth question is to consider the given figure and answer the questions. Is it a curve? Is it closed? Is it a curve? Yes, it is a curve because we are drawing it without lifting the pencil from the paper. So it is definitely a curve. Is it closed? Yes, it is closed because it is starting and ending at the same point. So it is a closed curve. The fifth question is to illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. That is a closed curve that is not a polygon, an open curve made up entirely of line segments, a polygon with two sides. So the first one is a closed curve that is not polygon. Why it is not polygon? A polygon is the one that is made of only line segment. Here it is drawn with line segment and also a curved line. So it is a curve but not a polygon. Second question is an open curve made entirely of line segment. Here you can see three line segment and also it is open because it is starting at one point and ending at a different point. Now the third question is to draw a polygon with two sides. We know that a polygon cannot be drawn with two sides. It should be given a minimum of four sides. So we cannot draw a polygon with two sides. Thank you for watching my video, and in the next video we will study about angles.